I've implemented this automatic live candles identification system. I had shown it on live on my YouTube channel a few days back for a couple of days. Just wanted to show how effective it is, how stress-free my trading has become, because I don't have to keep watching on for signals and identify stock lists. So I feed a criteria of stocks to be looked for during the day at around 40 to 50 stocks, and what the program does is it continuously keeps generating signals. So today at 9:45 I got a bearish signal on RBLBANK, and I took a closer look at it. Then it was an inside bar or rolling wave candle as well. Before that I had kind of a shooting star or almost rolling wave, but it's an inverted hammer type of candle. So combining this, it becomes a bearish setup, and so I shorted below the low of this candle. It is at 263.8. My stop loss was high of this candle, which was at 265.45, so less than 2 rupees stop loss, and then my target was going to be, of course, the support here, which is at 257.4. So this is 1:4 risk reward trade. So again, showing how efficiently we can trade candles, and how the efficacy of candlesticks is so high. It's just 2 rupees risk, less than 2 rupees risk, and close to 8 rupees profit. So, and with RBLBANK, you can imagine the size. So this is how to trade candlesticks very effectively, even intraday as well. Just an example. Thank you very much. Bye bye.